Welcome to this calming evening meditation designed to relax your mind, body, and soul as you prepare for restful sleep. This is your time to unwind, let go of the day's tension, and connect with your inner peace. Find a comfortable position, whether you're sitting or lying down, and let the soothing sounds guide you to a place of deep relaxation. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale, releasing any stress you've been carrying. Feel your body becoming more relaxed with each breath. As you continue to breathe deeply and steadily, notice how the tension in your muscles begins to melt away. With each exhale, let go of any worries or concerns from the day. Let's begin by focusing on the breath. Breathe in deeply through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. As you inhale, imagine filling your lungs with peaceful, calming energy. And as you exhale, release all the stress, tension, and negative energy that no longer serves you. Continue this cycle for a few moments, breathing in peace and breathing out anything that weighs you down. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded and centered. Notice how the air feels cool as it enters your body and warm as it leaves. Let your breath be a soothing rhythm that connects you to the present moment. Now gently shift your attention to your body. Starting from the top of your head, slowly scan down to your toes, noticing any areas of tightness or discomfort. As you continue breathing, allow those areas to soften and relax. Feel the muscles in your forehead, your jaw, and your neck release any tension they've been holding. Let your shoulders drop and feel the heaviness dissolve. As you scan down your arms, torso, and legs, feel your entire body becoming heavier, more relaxed, and at ease. Sink deeper into the surface beneath you, knowing that you are supported and safe. The shift from day to night symbolizes the transition from activity to rest. It's now time to release the day. Whatever challenges or emotions you experienced, it's time to let them go. Picture the events of the day like clouds passing through the sky. Watch them drift by, without attachment or judgment. You don't need to hold on to anything now. As the sun sets, allow the energy of the day to fade away, leaving only calm and serenity. Let go of any lingering thoughts, knowing that you have done your best today. You are now entering a space of rest, healing, and renewal. With each exhale, release any lingering tension from your mind, body, and soul. Imagine yourself standing beneath a clear night sky, with countless stars twinkling above you. Feel the cool, gentle breeze on your skin and the soft earth beneath your feet. The night is quiet, peaceful, and full of calm energy. As you gaze at the stars, feel their light washing over you, filling you with peace and relaxation. Visualize yourself surrounded by a gentle, glowing light. This light represents your inner peace. It protects you, comforts you, and allows you to feel safe and calm. Let this light expand around you, filling your heart and mind with a deep sense of serenity. They breathe slowly, appearing calm and deeply at peace. As you relax into this peaceful state, repeat these affirmations silently to yourself or out loud. I am calm and at peace with myself and the world. I release all tension and stress from my mind and body. I trust that everything I need is within me. I let go of the worries of the day and embrace peace. My mind is clear, my body is relaxed, and my soul is at rest. I welcome deep, restorative sleep tonight. I am safe, I am loved and I am at peace. Feel the stillness around you and allow yourself to embrace this moment of quiet. You are exactly where you need to be. There is nothing you need to do and nowhere you need to go. All that matters right now is this present moment, this moment of peace, stillness, and relaxation. Let this feeling of deep calm fill your entire being. You deserve this time of rest and renewal. As you surrender to the peaceful energy surrounding you, trust that your body and mind are healing, recharging, and preparing for a new day. As you prepare for sleep, know that you are supported, safe, and at peace. The day is done, and now it is time for rest. Allow yourself to drift into a deep, restful sleep, where you will wake up refreshed, renewed, and ready to greet a new day. Take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any remaining thoughts or tension. Your mind is calm, your body is relaxed, and your soul is at peace. Sleep will come naturally, and with it, deep restorative rest. Thank you for joining this evening meditation. May you rest deeply and wake up tomorrow feeling calm, refreshed, and full of peace. Calm your soul, embrace peace, sleep deeply,